Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of discussion is classification of animals. First we will discuss what is meant by classification. Classification means division of something into groups and subgroups based on differences or similarities. Means in classification we divide something into smaller groups or subgroups based on any difference or similarities. Means we make group of something for easy discussion, for easy study. It means classification. So our topic is classification of animals. In this topic we will discuss the groups and subgroups of animals. Okay, main groups of animals are vertebrates and invertebrates. You can see in this picture that all these animals are big in size. They have strong body. They have skeleton of bones. They have vertebrae in their body. They have backbone. And these groups of animals are different. They are small in size. Their body is very delicate and they don't have any bones or skeleton. So we can make a clear-cut difference between two groups. First group have backbone and second group have no backbone. The name of group that have backbone, they are given the name of vertebrates, and the group that don't have a backbone, they are given the name of invertebrates. Here you will see the next division of vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals that have backbone and they are divided into 5 main groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. And invertebrates are the animals that don't have a backbone. They are also further divided into sponges, insects, starfish, worms and snail. In this video we will only discuss the group of vertebrates. Okay, now come to first group. First group is fish. As you all know that fish are the animals that spend their whole life in water. So they have gills for breathing and their body are jawless. Mostly their mouth have no jaw, but some have jaws. They have fins to move in water. They move fins and swim in water. Examples are shark and ray. Next group is amphibians. Amphibians are the animals that can stay on land as well as on water. So they have lungs for breathing on land and gills for breathing in water. They both have lung and gills for respiration. They are tetrapods. Tetrapods means they have 4 legs for movement on land. They have smooth, moist skin and they lay eggs in water for reproduction. Examples are frog and salamander. Next group is reptiles. Reptiles are the animals that spend their whole life on land. So they only have lungs for respiration. They lay eggs. They have dry, scaly skin. Mostly move by creeping on land. Examples are lizard, alligator, crocodile, and many more. Next group is birds. Birds are the animals that fly in air. They have feathers. Their forelimbs are modified into wings for moving in air. They breathe by lungs as they stay on land. So they have lungs for respiration. They lay eggs. Examples are pigeon, eagle, penguins, parrot, hen and many more. Next group is mammals. Mammals are the animals. They have hair on their body. They give birth to young ones. They have mammary glands and nourish their baby by milk. Example, bear and man. Here is the clear-cut chart of group of vertebrates. You can also take help from it. I hope you have understand the topic. In next video, we will discuss the group of invertebrates. Up till then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.